Hello and welcome back to Motor Nation USA, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest car reviews, launches, and in-depth insights. Today, we are diving into the all-new Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid 2025, a car that is turning heads with its bold design, advanced technology, and eco-friendly hybrid efficiency. Whether you're considering upgrading your SUV or just love cars, this detailed walkthrough will cover everything you need to know about the Grand Highlander Hybrid. The Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid 2025 is the latest addition to Toyota's hybrid lineup, combining luxury, space, and fuel efficiency. Unlike its predecessors, this model brings a completely redesigned exterior that commands attention on the road. The first thing you notice is the striking black color, which highlights its sharp lines, muscular stance, and aerodynamic profile. With dimensions slightly larger than the standard Highlander, this model offers more cabin space, more cargo capacity, and more comfort for families and road trip enthusiasts alike. Starting with the front view, the Grand Highlander Hybrid features a bold grille with chrome accents that perfectly complement the LED headlamps. The headlights are sleek, futuristic, and equipped with adaptive technology that adjusts brightness based on driving conditions. The front bumper design is aggressive yet elegant, giving it a strong road presence. The sculpted hood enhances its sporty yet refined look. From every angle, Toyota has ensured that the Grand Highlander Hybrid makes a statement, whether it's cruising through the city or parked in a luxury showroom. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice how Toyota has prioritized both aesthetics and aerodynamics. The car sits on stylish alloy wheels that not only add flair but also improve performance by reducing drag. The side mirrors are integrated with LED indicators for better visibility and safety, while the smooth roofline flows into the rear seamlessly, giving it a modern silhouette. This model also includes a panoramic sunroof, providing passengers with natural light and a more open cabin feel. For a vehicle of this size, the Grand Highlander Hybrid still manages to maintain an elegant and balanced design. The rear view is equally impressive. The LED taillights are connected with a sleek trim piece that adds continuity to the design. The rear bumper is robust yet polished, and the integrated spoiler adds a sporty touch. For hybrid enthusiasts, Toyota has subtly included the hybrid badge, signifying the advanced technology under the hood. Overall, the exterior design is a perfect combination of luxury, sportiness, and functionality. Now, let's talk about what powers this SUV. Under the hood, the 2025 Grand Highlander Hybrid features Toyota's latest hybrid technology, combining a high-efficiency gasoline engine with an electric motor. This results in impressive fuel efficiency, lower emissions, and smooth acceleration. The hybrid system intelligently switches between gas and electric power depending on driving conditions, providing optimal performance in the city, on the highway, or during long road trips. For families and environmentally conscious drivers, this is a huge advantage as it reduces the carbon footprint while still delivering the performance you expect from a large SUV. One of the standout features of this hybrid system is regenerative braking. Every time you brake, the system captures energy that would otherwise be lost and stores it in the battery, improving efficiency and extending driving range. The driving experience is quiet, smooth, and refined, thanks to the hybrid powertrain. Acceleration is responsive, and handling remains stable even with a full load of passengers and cargo. Toyota has managed to create a hybrid SUV that doesn't compromise on performance while delivering eco-friendly benefits. Step inside the Grand Highlander Hybrid, and you are greeted by a luxurious, spacious interior designed for comfort and convenience. The cabin features high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and an ergonomic layout. The dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Toyota's latest connected services. The center console is intuitive, and controls are within easy reach of the driver, making the driving experience seamless and enjoyable. Seating is another highlight. The Grand Highlander Hybrid offers 3 rows of seats, accommodating up to 7 or 8 passengers depending on the configuration. The second row can be either captain's chairs or a bench seat, while the third row folds flat to provide ample cargo space when needed. The seats are upholstered in premium leather, and both front and rear passengers benefit from adjustable headrests, heating, and ventilation in select trims. Long journeys are comfortable thanks to excellent legroom, supportive cushioning, and quiet cabin insulation that minimizes road and engine noise. The interior is also packed with technology and convenience features. Toyota has included multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and a high-end sound system to keep everyone entertained. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time information about fuel efficiency, hybrid power usage, and navigation. Safety has not been overlooked either. The Grand Highlander Hybrid comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These features enhance driver confidence and make long-distance driving less stressful. Cargo capacity is impressive as well. With all seats up, you get a generous amount of storage for daily use. Fold down the third row, and the cargo space expands significantly, making it perfect for weekend getaways, grocery runs, or road trips with family and friends. The rear seats are easy to fold using a one-touch system, adding to the vehicle's practicality. Toyota has truly designed the Grand Highlander Hybrid with families and adventure seekers in mind, balancing luxury, utility, and comfort. Another feature that sets this SUV apart is its driving modes. You can switch between EV mode, hybrid mode, and sport mode depending on your needs. EV mode allows for short-distance electric-only driving, ideal for city commuting and reducing fuel consumption. Hybrid mode automatically balances engine and motor output for maximum efficiency. Sport mode enhances throttle response for a more engaging drive when you need extra power. This flexibility gives drivers full control over performance and efficiency at all times. The Grand Highlander Hybrid also shines when it comes to connectivity and entertainment. The infotainment system features a high-definition touchscreen with crisp graphics, intuitive menus, and support for voice commands. Passengers can enjoy streaming services, navigation, and hands-free calling seamlessly. For rear passengers, Toyota offers optional entertainment screens and audio controls, ensuring everyone stays entertained on long drives. Climate control is fully automatic and can be adjusted for individual zones, enhancing comfort for all passengers. From a safety perspective, the 2025 Grand Highlander Hybrid is packed with advanced driver assistance systems. Toyota Safety Sense includes pre-collision systems with pedestrian detection, lane keeping assist, road sign recognition, and adaptive high beams. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alerts add another layer of safety, making this SUV suitable for families and urban driving alike. Toyota has clearly prioritized both active and passive safety, ensuring peace of mind for all occupants. Fuel efficiency is another major selling point. With its hybrid powertrain, the Grand Highlander Hybrid achieves impressive mileage for a vehicle of its size. Drivers can expect reduced fuel costs without sacrificing comfort, space, or performance. This is especially beneficial for those who use their SUV for daily commutes, road trips, or long highway drives. Additionally, reduced emissions make it a more environmentally friendly choice compared to traditional gas-powered SUVs. In terms of pricing and trims, Toyota offers the Grand Highlander Hybrid in multiple configurations to suit different needs and budgets. Higher trims include premium leather, upgraded sound systems, larger wheels, and additional safety features. Regardless of the trim, each model maintains a strong focus on quality, technology, and hybrid efficiency, ensuring that buyers get excellent value for their investment. And overall, the Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid 2025 represents a perfect blend of luxury, technology, performance, and eco-conscious engineering. It addresses the needs of modern families, tech-savvy drivers, and anyone seeking a spacious, comfortable, and fuel-efficient SUV. Its combination of bold exterior design, sophisticated interior, advanced hybrid powertrain, and cutting-edge technology makes it one of the most compelling options in the large SUV segment. For those who love driving but also care about efficiency, the Grand Highlander Hybrid offers an engaging and quiet ride without compromising on capability. The SUV handles corners with confidence, provides ample cargo space, seats passengers comfortably, and ensures safety with a full suite of driver assistance features. Whether you're navigating city streets, tackling long highway journeys, or embarking on a family road trip, this vehicle is designed to impress at every turn. That's it for today's detailed walkthrough of the Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid 2025. We hope this review has given you a comprehensive look at what makes this SUV special, from its stylish exterior and spacious interior to its advanced hybrid technology and impressive safety features. Thank you for watching Motor Nation USA. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, share it with fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and car updates. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Grand Highlander Hybrid, and if you'd like to see it tested on the road, we can bring you a full driving experience soon. Until next time, keep driving smart, keep exploring, and stay tuned for more from Motor Nation USA.